Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop apps from auto-starting on Windows 10. If you do find this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we need to do is open up the settings first of all. So we're just going to come down to the search box down here and then go ahead and type settings. And then you just want to open up the app at the top here, settings app. So once you've done this, you should get a screen that looks similar to this. And what you want to do is locate the option that says apps, which is over here on the left hand side. So we're just going to go and open that up. On the left hand side, you'll see this menu. So what you want to do is actually come down and click onto Startup. And what's going to happen, this is actually going to show you a list of all the apps that actually start when your computer starts. So for example, I've got like Google Chrome, CCleaner, which is like a basically a thing that gets rid of like unused cookies and history and things like that. And then you've got like obviously more known apps like Skype, for example, that's in my startup. And then obviously things like Spotify and Steam, etc, etc. And all you want to do is just come to the toggle button next to the app that you want to disable. So for example, I could use Spotify in this example. And what's going to happen, it's actually going to show you the impact. So what this means here, it says like high, medium impact. And this is basically going to have an impact on how long it takes for your computer to get up and running. So as you can see, there's no impact with this being off. If I switch it to on, still no impact. So each one of these obviously affects your computer differently. For example, if I had Spotify starting up, it's not going to affect how quick my computer starts up. But things like the update, for example, set to on, that has a high impact, which means that basically it's going to take slightly longer for the computer to start up. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if you found that helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.